In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change themes in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to customize your environment to reflect your brand or simply want a fresh look, updating your theme in Salesforce is a straightforward process. Together, we'll navigate through the steps to ensure your workspace looks exactly how you envision it. First things first, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface. This little icon is your gateway to all settings and in-depth customizations that Salesforce offers. Once it's in your sights, go ahead and give it a click. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options to choose from. Here, what you're aiming for is the Setup option. Selecting Setup will lead you into the intricacies of Salesforce's settings, granting you deeper control over a wide range of functionalities. Moving forward, on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a quick find box. This tool is incredibly useful for swiftly navigating to specific settings, especially in a system as robust and extensive as Salesforce. Here, you need to use this search feature and type in Themes and Branding. This particular search will streamline your navigation by cutting through any unnecessary clutter, presenting you directly with the options you're seeking. After typing in Themes and Branding, you'll be guided to this option under the User Interface category. A simple click here will take you to a new page, where all your theme possibilities await. Once on this page, you'll find a list of both default themes and any custom themes that you may have created beforehand. Consider this list your playground. Take a moment to browse through these themes to identify the one that best suits your needs or taste. This visual inspection can often spark inspiration, or maybe even introduce you to a design element you weren't previously considering. Having identified the theme you wish to use, the steps from here are pretty simple. Beside your chosen theme, there's a drop-down arrow. Click on this, and a small menu will pop up. Here you'll find the Activate option. Clicking Activate will apply the changes across your Salesforce interface, and just like that, your new theme will be up and running. Keep in mind, themes in Salesforce do more than just change your visual experience. They can enhance your overall efficiency and workflow by aligning your environment with your brand's identity, making a cohesive backdrop for all the tasks you handle. So, don't hesitate to revisit this page whenever you feel like a change or have updates to your branding needing reflection in your workspace. And there you have it, a truly easy and rewarding way to personalize the look and feel of your Salesforce interface. Don't shy away from experimenting with new themes. Customizing this aspect of your workspace can make a significant difference in your daily interactions with the platform. Feel empowered to make this interface truly your own. Thank you for tuning in, and happy theme changing.